Welcome to Pixel Palette Dream Home. Today we are looking at how to decorate in Japandi style. Japandi style is a harmonious blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality, resulting in a design aesthetic that feels serene, balanced, and welcoming. It combines the clean lines and muted palettes of Scandinavian design with the craftsmanship and natural beauty emphasized in Japanese interiors. This style promotes mindfulness and intentional living, making your home a sanctuary of peace and simplicity. Here are the 7 essential elements to embrace the Japandi look in your home. A harmonious color palette is the cornerstone of Japandi design. At its heart lies a preference for soft, neutral shades that evoke serenity and timelessness. Think muted whites, beige, taupe, and light grays as the foundation, complemented by subtle, earthy tones such as sage green, terracotta, or dusty pink for accents. These tones create a balanced backdrop that allows the design elements to shine without overwhelming the space. For an authentic Japandi look, mix the warmth of Scandinavian hues with the earthiness of Japanese interiors. The interplay of these tones creates a cohesive and welcoming environment that feels both elegant and tranquil. To enhance the depth of your palette, layer in textures through textiles and furnishings. Use matte finishes for walls and furniture to emphasize the understated beauty of the palette. Pair a soft beige sofa with dark walnut side tables to achieve a subtle yet striking contrast. Natural materials define Japandi interiors, emphasizing sustainability and a connection to nature. Wood, stone, ceramics, and natural fibers dominate this design approach, each contributing to a space that feels grounded and organic. Scandinavian light woods like birch and ash pair beautifully with Japanese dark woods, such as walnut or teak, creating a harmonious contrast. Minimal treatment of these materials is key. Choose furniture and decor that showcases the natural grain of wood or the raw texture of stone. This enhances the tactile quality of your space, making it feel more inviting. Incorporate woven textiles, jute rugs, and linen curtains to layer in softness and balance. These elements add warmth to the minimalist aesthetic while staying true to Japandi's natural ethos. Mix stone planters, wooden furniture, and ceramic accessories for a dynamic, textural interplay that reinforces the natural theme of Japandi interiors. Japandi design thrives on the principle of less is more, emphasizing the importance of simplicity paired with functionality. Every piece in a Japandi home is carefully chosen for its purpose and beauty. ensuring a clutter-free environment that feels intentional and serene. This style eliminates excess while focusing on items that serve dual purposes, such as furniture with built-in storage or versatile decor pieces. Practicality doesn't compromise aesthetics. Rather, it enhances the appeal of the space. To create a functional yet elegant Japandi interior, focus on streamlined furniture designs with clean lines and smooth finishes. Avoid ornate details or unnecessary embellishments that detract from the minimalist charm. While Japandi design is rooted in structure and clean lines, incorporating organic shapes softens the overall aesthetic. Rounded edges and flowing forms bring a sense of warmth and balance, making the space feel inviting rather than austere. Organic shapes are evident in furniture, decor, and architectural details. For instance, a round mirror, an oval coffee table, or softly curved armchairs can seamlessly blend into the Japandi look. These elements break up the rigidity of straight lines, introducing a subtle dynamism. To achieve the perfect balance, combine curved items with more linear pieces. This contrast enhances the visual interest of the room while maintaining cohesion. In Japandi design, texture is essential to prevent minimalism from feeling sterile. A thoughtful layering of textures adds depth and richness to a space, enhancing its warmth and tactile appeal. From soft textiles to raw materials, textures play a crucial role in bringing Japandi interiors to life. Start by combining smooth surfaces, such as wooden furniture or stone countertops, with tactile fabrics like linen, boucle, or wool. These elements create a balanced interplay of hard and soft materials. Woven accessories like rattan baskets or jute rugs add an earthy, handcrafted touch that aligns with the natural ethos of Japandi. Lighting in Japandi interiors is both functional and atmospheric, serving as a key element in creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Soft, diffused lighting enhances the serene atmosphere while highlighting the natural beauty of materials and decor. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Instead, layer multiple light sources throughout the space. Pendant lights made of natural materials like paper, bamboo, or frosted glass are perfect for achieving an ambient glow. Floor lamps, wall sconces, and table lamps with minimalist designs add dimension and create cozy nooks. Consider the placement of your lighting to emphasize the architectural features of the room or highlight specific decor pieces. Lighting should feel intentional, guiding the eye and enhancing the overall mood. Japandi interiors prioritize quality over quantity, focusing on a few well-curated decor pieces rather than an abundance of items. Minimal decor aligns with the style's philosophy of simplicity and intentionality, ensuring that each element contributes meaningfully to the overall aesthetic. Choose decor that complements the natural materials and muted color palette of Japandi style. Handmade ceramics, sculptural vases, and framed minimalist artwork can serve as subtle yet impactful additions. Avoid cluttering surfaces. Instead, let each piece have space to stand out. Functional decor also fits seamlessly into Japandi design. For instance, a woven basket can act as both storage and a visual element. This dual-purpose approach maintains a clean, uncluttered look. By integrating these insider tips, you'll master the art of Japandi interiors, creating a space that's not only beautiful, but also deeply restorative. Let each design choice reflect intentionality, simplicity, and the timeless allure of Japandi style, turning your home into a haven of warmth and tranquility. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home styling ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.